What is up, you guys, and welcome back to yet I don't know what this was.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to yet another video here on my channel. Today, y'all, I wanted to be extra. I'm just playing. I wanted to be extra, so I popped out my James Charles X Morphe palette. She's so cute. You're so cute, girl. But I popped out my James Charles X Morphe palette so that I can get this here look for you guys, and I really did enjoy how it turned out. And you know, I be trying not to follow and trend with everybody else, even though, you know, trends and the hype of things, you know, help further what you got going on. But anyways, I be trying not to fall into the trends and stuff, but I had to. It's been itching me and itching me and itching me, y'all. It's been itching, so I finally gave in and did a look with this palette, and I quite enjoyed it. I really wanted to hate this palette so bad, probably because everybody else loved the palette, but I actually really like this palette. Duh, you were gonna like this palette. I don't know what you thought you was gonna do, but you was gonna like this palette. I don't know why you was tripping. If you all want to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching. But before you continue watching, y'all, go follow me on Instagram. I mean, you sitting here watching the video, you might as well go on over there and look at the 5 picture that I put up on this look over there. So I don't know why you tripping. My name right here. Just go follow. Go follow. And I talk to everybody. I talk to everybody over there. So if you want to talk to me, even in the comments down below, if you want to talk to me, look, let me stop rambling. Anyways, go follow me on Instagram at @TheTessWinks, and let's get into this video. Okay, so as you guys can see, I did one complete eye off camera just to get a feel of what exactly I wanted to do. So let's jump right into this other eye. Starting off, I'm going to take the red shade out of the palette, and that is called You're Kidding. This is a big palette, y'all. That is called You're Kidding. It's that one right here. And I'm taking it on a flat dense brush, and I'm going to start packing that into my crease. Okay, and now I am taking the yellow out of the palette, which is called B, and it's right here. And that is going right on top of that red shade, and it's going to blend into an orange shade in the middle. So taking that up on a really small, precise brush just to pack it on. Out pretty pigmented, as y'all can see, but they probably would have came out a lot lighter if I would have used a lighter base. So I will try using a lighter base next time to see if it makes any difference. Well, of course it'll make any. Of course it's gonna make difference, but you know, I'll just try using a lighter base next time. I wasn't really thinking. And now on the same brush, I'm just going to dip into the orange shade in the palette. It's called 518. A nice orange shade right here. And on the same brush, I'm just going to pop that in between the red and the yellow, just to help it blend a lot better. And now on another dense packing brush, I'm going to take the shade Love That right here, and that is going on the outer corner. Okay, y'all, and now we're gonna cut the crease, and to do that we're using our Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is in the shade Medium Gold, right? No, I lied. This is in the shade Warm Beige. And of course I'm cutting my crease off camera because there might be some possible non-breathing going on, and I don't need y'all calling the hotline on you, girl. So I'll be right back. We're gonna cut this crease, and yeah. Okay guys, so all I did while cutting my crease was place some of Social Blade, and that's the nice light green shade in the palette, that one right at the corner. I placed Social Blade right at the top of the cut crease so that when I place down my glitter, like you guys see on this side, it comes up more vibrant and more opaque. Because it is more of like an iridescent lime green type glitter, I just wanted it to show up a lot more. But now we're going into the light blue shade in the palette. This one right here. What's this called? I think this is called Playground. Yeah, I believe that's called Playground, and we're going to place that on the rest of the cut crease. Put a little bit more down because don't need to mess up my makeup. You're what I'm saying. You're what I'm saying. So put a little more baking powder down. We ain't got time. We ain't got the time. Shake it down back time. The good old days. Okay, now that I got that blue shade on, what we gonna do, y'all? We gonna take a little bit of our NYX glitter base, just a little bit, and put it on the back of my hand. And right where the blue and that burgundy shade meets, I'm going to place a little bit of that in between. Like so. And I'm dipping into the shimmer purple shade, which I believe is called Artistry, and that is going right on top of that glitter base. And it's just to help the base, not the base, it's just to help the shadow pop a lot more. The brush from the burgundy shade just to help blend it into each other, and the same with the blue. Now I'm going to do our brow bone highlight, and for that I'm dipping into this pan shade right here, this big pan shade right here called Face, and replacing it. And going back in with the shade B, we're just going to blend those two shades together. Just so we can let y'all know that harsh lines don't live here. And last, for our lid comes the fun part. Glitter! So for the glitter, this is the glitter right here. This is just non-cosmetic grade glitter that I got off of Amazon. But if you're going to try this, please use a cosmetic grade glitter. I'm just being hard-headed and doing this at my own risk. But there are a lot of nice cosmetic grade glitters you can find. To do this, I'm using my Duo Lash Glue, and this is the brush tip only because it's a brush tip and I want it really, really fine and in one spot. So that's why I'm using this one. If I was using it regularly, if I was using it regularly, don't talk about me. I'll be using the NYX glitter primer, but because it has this fine brush tip, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it.
Yeah, you're so independent. It's hard for me to open up, I'll admit it. You've got some shit to say and I'm here to listen. So baby, tell me where your love lies. Waste the day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies. Tell me where your love lies. Waste the day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies.
Okay, and now we're gonna pop on a little bit of liner, and this is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. And we're not doing a wing today, we're just going to do a nice line across the lash line. Okay, and as y'all can see on this side, we added glitter to the liner as well, but to do this, I am going to use my NYX glitter base. So popping just a little bit more of that on my hand, and then taking another precise brush, really small precise brush. I'm going to pick up the base and start spreading it on the liner. So starting off on the bottom lash line, I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo, what's this thing called? A NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk. Where's my mirror? Mirror! Oh. It was in my face the whole time. I'm going to place that in the waterline. And I was really debating about whether or not I wanted to put pink in the waterline. Then I was like, nah, I'll leave it. So that's what I did. I left it white. And to set this white in our waterline, I'm taking Flashback out of the palette. It's really, really nice matte white shade. And to be honest, this is the most pigmented white shade I've seen in a while. So just taking that and setting. Next shade I'm taking is this deep purple shade, which is called Escape. And that is being placed closest to our waterline. And I'm taking it on this small fluffy blending brush. It's not really fluffy, but it's like fluffy. Does that make sense? I don't know if it does, but look. And just dragging that along the lower lash line. And to blend out that purple shade, I'm taking Social Blade. It's that nice lime green shade. Just popping that underneath the purple. Okay guys, and the last step we're going to do for our eyes is our inner corner highlights, and I did that using this shade right here, which is called Ring Light. But you know what? I think I want to add this blue shimmer shade, you guys. Or should I leave it? No, I'm gonna add it. So I'm taking the blue shimmer shade right here. It's called Hello. Okay. That's cute. Alright, so that's the eyes complete, guys. I'm going to jump off camera and finish my lashes, my highlight, and my lips, and I'll come back and we'll finish off the video with you guys. So, BRB. Okay, you guys, so I'm back looking real regular in this Cowboys t-shirt. It's my husband's t-shirt, but please excuse it. I ain't put on no clothes for y'all today, so please excuse that. But let's tell you all what I have on my face. So for the highlight, I have the Milani Strobe Light in the color Day Glow, and I actually think this is my favorite highlighter right now. I thought it was the Juvia's Place one. Like I started to put this on today, but then I was like, no, I got the Milani one, so this is where it's at right now. For my lips, you guys, where they at? For my lips, I use this Dior Addict, and I believe the color is Rose Lingerie, or 323. I don't know. I got this from somewhere. I don't even remember where I got this from. But that is what I have on my lips. I don't have on a lip liner. I was being risky today, but it actually doesn't look that bad. Yeah, it actually doesn't look that bad. So that's what I have. My eyelashes are the Ardell's, the Demi Wispies, just the regular Demi Wispies. I wanted something more on the natural side so that you guys could see more of the look, so that's what I did. But yeah, that's everything I have on my face today, guys, and I hope you all enjoyed this video with the James Pearls. Where you at, James Pearls? I hope y'all enjoyed the video with this James Charles X Morphe palette. This was my first time using this palette, and I quite enjoyed it. I'm probably the last person on earth that has tried this, but you know what, that's okay, because I really ended up enjoying it. Look at this beauty, y'all. Look at her. Ooh, she's pretty. But I'm going to try another look with this palette using like a white base or something. I know he said to use it with the P. Louise base, but y'all, P. Louise is not here where I live, so it's gonna take a little minute, but I'm gonna probably go ahead and get it because, you know, everybody's been raving. I be trying not to, you know, be a part of everything everybody else got going on, but if it means more beautiful looks, then I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. So I will be ordering the P. Louise base here soon. But yeah, that was everything, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you're new to my family, hey, how you doing? My name is Tony. Nice to meet you. And guys, please don't forget to hit that post notification bell just to be notified every time I do upload. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Underneath the sunrise, show me where you